Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use the various forms of to be as auxiliary verbs. Now look at the board. If I write like this, I walking, okay, I walking is not making any sense. Something is missing, okay. Now this verb walking, it requires the help of another verb to make complete sense. So this work of helping the main verb is done by the various forms of to be. Am, are, is, was, were, okay, can be used as helping verb. So here it is I, the subject is I. So with I we can either use am or was. Okay, I am walking, I was walking. Okay, so am and was, they are helping the main verb walking to make complete sense. Got it? Now, as auxiliary verb, two forms are there or two uses are there. Firstly, to be plus present participle. It is used in the continuous tense, and the second use as auxiliary verb is to be plus past participle, which we do it in the passive voice. Okay, so let's see the first use as auxiliary verb, which is to be plus present participle we are using in the continuous tense. So let's see the present continuous. Present continuous tense, we have am, are, is. They are the present form of the verb to be. So we can use anyone, am, are, is as helping verbs plus main verb plus ing. Okay, let's see examples. I am singing. Here we have am as a helping verb. Am is the helping verb. Singing is the main verb. Okay, second example, you are singing. Got it? Yeah, are is doing the verb of helping. Then he is singing, she is singing, it is singing. Is the helping verb. Then we are singing, you are singing, they are singing. So are. Okay, so this is the present continuous tense where am, are, is used as helping verb. Now let's see the past continuous tense where we have was or were plus main verb plus ing. So in this way we have to write I was singing, where was is your helping verb. Then second person you were singing, were. Then third person he was singing, she was singing, it was singing. Then the plural of I, we were singing, where were is the helping verb. You were singing, they were singing. Got it? In the future continuous we have will be or shall be plus main verb plus ing. Okay, for example, I will be singing or I shall be singing, where be is the form of to be. So here along with the helping verb will, we have used be to form the future tense. Okay, so will be, I will be singing or I shall be singing. Then you will be singing, he will be singing, she will be singing, it will be singing. Then plural, we shall be singing or we will be singing. You will be singing, they will be singing. Okay, that was future continuous tense. Now present perfect continuous tense, we have I have been singing. Here been is the form of to be, okay, which is used in the perfect tense. Got it? So we write like this: I have been singing. In perfect tense we have has or have as the helping verb. So along with have we have to use been. Okay, so I have been singing, you have been singing, then he has. With third person singular we have to use has. So he has been singing, she has been singing, it has been singing. Then plural, we have been singing, you have been singing, they have been singing. So that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, same way we have past perfect continuous, where the only difference is instead of here have, we have to use had. Okay, past form of have, we have to use had. I had been singing. So here been is the form of to be, which is used as helping verb. So I had been singing. So we have had been as the helping verb and sing the main verb, plus we have to add ing for the progressive tense. So I had been singing. Same way, you had been singing. She, here we have to use had. She had been singing, he had been singing, it had been singing. Okay, we had been singing, you had been singing, and they had been singing. Got it? Now the second use of to be as auxiliary verb is in the passive voice. Okay, now let's see how to use to be in the passive voice. The form is to be plus past participle, okay, which is in the passive voice. So in that, let's see the present simple tense passive voice. Examples: the dog is called Moti. Okay, so here we have is, which is the form of to be, okay, plus past participle. So called, called is the past participle of the verb to call. Okay, so called, the dog is called Moti. By me, by him, by, it can be anyone. So suppose if we write by me, usually in the passive voice we have by me, by someone. Okay, but even if it is not written, it is understood. We have to look at the verb is called. Okay, the dog is called Moti. So to be, which is here, and past participle of the verb, which is called. Okay, next example: English is spoken around the world. Here we have is the helping verb, spoken, the past participle of the verb speak. Okay, so English is spoken around the world. Got it? So in detail, when we will do passive voice, it will be done in detail. Here we are just seeing the use of to be. So next example: Hari is helped by Rama. Okay, so here we have is the helping verb, past participle, helped in the passive voice. And last example we have grammar is taught to us, where we have the helping verb is and past participle of the verb teach is taught. Okay, present continuous form of passive voice. Okay, example: a letter is being written by me. Here is the helping verb, the form of to be, Then being is also form of to be, which we use in the continuous tense. Okay, written past participle of the verb write. Okay, so a letter is being written by me. Sometimes this part by me, it is omitted, but it is understood. Second sentence, you are being watched very carefully by me. Okay, so present continuous tense, passive voice. So here helping verb are being. Watched is the past participle of the verb watch. Next sentence, a book is being taken. Helping verb is being and taken past participle. Then a picture is being drawn by Mohan, which is the helping verb is and being. Okay, so to be is used as helping verb. Drawn, past participle of to draw. Fifth sentence, the seeds are being sowed by the farmer, which is the helping verb are being, form of to be. Sowed, past participle of the verb sow. Okay, so that was present continuous tense, passive voice, the use of to be as auxiliary verb in the passive voice. Okay, next we have present perfect tense, passive voice. So let's see how to use the form of to be in present perfect tense, passive voice. Let's see the examples. The bicycle has been sold by me. So here, as it is perfect tense and present perfect, we use has or have as helping verb. So along with has or have, we are using been, which is the form of to be. Okay, so the bicycle has been sold by me. So has been is the helping verb and sold is the past participle of to sell. Okay, next example, the picture has been drawn by my cousin. Here the helping verb has been. Drawn, past participle of the verb draw. Okay, so third sentence, my purse has been stolen. So here, which is the helping verb? Has been, and stolen is the past participle of to steal. Then next sentence, the letter has just been posted. So has been helping verb and posted past participle of to post. Last sentence, the window has been broken by the thief. So has been helping verb and broken past participle of to break. Okay, so that was present perfect tense, passive voice. Now let's see the past simple tense, passive voice. Here we have to use was or were. Let's see. First example, the gate was opened by the officer. This is the helping verb was. The form of to be in the past tense, and opened is the past participle of the verb open. Got it? So next sentence, the mouse was killed by the cat. Was helping verb, killed is the past participle of to kill. Third sentence, the thief was caught by the police. Pick out the helping verb was. So was is the form of to be in the past tense. Caught is the past participle of to catch. Okay. Next, the bird was killed by a cruel hunter. Was helping verb, killed past participle of to kill. Last sentence, the letter was posted last night, which is the helping verb was, and posted past participle of the verb to post. Okay, so that was use of to be in past simple tense, passive voice. Okay, next we have past continuous tense, passive voice. Let's see how to use to be in past continuous tense, passive voice. First example we have, The wounded man was being helped by a student. Okay, let's find out. The helping verb here was, as it is past tense, we use was or were. So was. Then being, as it is continuous tense we use being. Okay, and helped is the past participle of the verb to help. Okay, so the wounded man was being helped by a student. So was being your helping verb and helped past participle. Okay, then milk was being drunk by the boy. So was and being are your helping verbs and drunk is the past participle of to drink. Then third sentence, a song was being sung by the player. So was being helping verb and sung the past participle of the verb to sing. Next sentence, a picture was being drawn by a little boy. Okay, so here we have was being your helping verb and drawn the past participle of the verb to draw. And last sentence we have a lesson was being taught by the teacher. So here was being helping verb and taught is the past participle of the verb to teach. Similarly, we can use to be in past perfect tense. Like one example I have written, a book had been written by me. Here, what is the difference between we have present and the past perfect? What is the difference? In present perfect, we use has or have as the helping verb. In past perfect, we use had. Okay, so a book had been written by me. So had is the past form of to have. Then we have been, which is the form of to be. So had been is your helping verb and written the past participle of the verb to write. Okay, so we saw how to use the various forms of to be as auxiliary verbs. Okay, hope you have understood. Any queries, do write to me. Till then, goodbye.